Hello everyone. I've always said that food is about legacy, heritage, ancestry, memories, all those wonderful things. And I truly believe that. I've talked about my ancestry before. I'm half Sindhi, and there's plenty of Sindhi dishes on our YouTube channel, but I'm also half Maharashtrian. So today I'm going to look at that side of my ancestry and make a wonderful Maharashtrian dish for you called Sol Curry. You're going to love it. Let's get started. So the soul curry is the simplest dish you'll make. It's ready so quickly and it's yum. The way I like to eat is with some dal and soul curry and rice. Just mix it all together. It's a wonderful dish. You can have soul curry by itself. It's a wonderful antioxidant. It's good for health. So there's a few key ingredients, and let's take a look at them. And here we have some coconut milk. It's freshly extracted, and you can use canned coconut milk if you have that. That's fine. I have some green chilies, some garlic, some fresh coriander, and one of the key ingredients of this dish is kokum. Now you want the kokum that turns pink in color. You get two different kinds, and this kokum is available widely in Maharashtra and Goa, in that area, in the Konkan region in general. So that's the kind of kokum you want. And then we're going to add some bhuna zira to it, which is cumin powder that's roasted, and we're going to also add some hing. That's very important to get the right flavor. So I have my kokum here. I'm going to add about 1 cup or a little bit more of water and let that soak for a good 10 to 15 minutes. And then when it's soaked, we're going to drain it. This is going to turn pink in some time. And in the meantime, I have a blender over here. I'll add all my other ingredients. So I'm putting the garlic, the coriander, and the green chilies, and I want to blend all these together to a coarse consistency. It doesn't have to be finely ground. So for that you may need to add some water or coconut milk. Either way, I'm going to add a little bit of water so I get a nice paste going, right? So just a little bit of water should do it, and we'll grind this, let this soak, and when we come back we'll get the next step. Okay, everything is ready. Now we just have to put this together, and this is what I did with my garlic, chili and coriander. I blended it into a coarse paste. You can still see bits of garlic in there. That's what we want. That's perfect. And in the meantime, look at this gorgeous color on my kokum. 15 minutes after soaking, you have a beautiful pink color, and that's exactly what we want. So this is also ready. So now we take a big bowl. I'll add my coconut milk to it, and then I'm going to add my kokum, which has been soaking in water. I'm going to use a filter here because I don't want those kokum fruits in there. I just want the juice or the syrup of the kokum. And that's perfect. And then we add our wonderful, lovely mixture over here also. And then at the end, we're going to add some bhuna zira. In this much, about 1 teaspoon is good. About actually half a teaspoon is good. And a pinch of hing. Just a small pinch for the flavor. So that's good enough. And this is still warm from the warm water from the kokum. So we mix that together. And there you have it. All I'm going to do now is garnish this with some fresh coriander, and you have a wonderful soul curry. Now the way to have this is you want to chill this and for about 15-20 minutes till it's a little chill, and then you can have it as a drink or with rice and dal, like I said. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'll see you next time.